Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little cardboard house, so stay with me till the end. First of all, for the base of the house, we need a piece of thick cardboard or corrugated board cut to the dimensions you can see in the picture. Then, using thick paper, preferably the same type of cardboard, we'll cover the edges of the base just like you see in the image. Now let's apply glue to the back of the base. And now for the foundation of the building, we need a piece of cardboard with the dimensions shown in the picture. I've already prepared mine in advance. Then just like in the video, we'll glue the base of the house on top of it. For the side wall of the large room, we need a piece of cardboard with the dimensions shown in the picture. Apply glue to the bottom and side edges, and then attach it in its place. And now for the opposite wall, we'll need pieces of cardboard cut to the dimensions shown in the picture, and we'll glue them in place. For the front and back of the large room, we'll make walls using 2 pieces of cardboard with window cutouts, just like in the picture, and then attach them in their positions. For the small room, we'll make the front and back walls using 2 pieces of cardboard with door and window cutouts, and then glue them in place. For the side of this small room, we'll make a wall using a piece of cardboard with 2 large windows, just like in the video, and glue it in place. For the window frames, we'll make white frames out of thick cardboard and attach clear plastic sheets, like transparent film, to give them a glass-like effect. Then install them in their places. Now for the door of the house. I made it from a piece of cardboard painted brown and added a white frame, then attached it in place. I also glued on the door handle. Next, I covered the sides of the cardboard with craft paper to give the project a nicer finish. Now it's time for the sloped roof. Just like in the video, we'll attach all the cardboard pieces in their places. We'll also glue some artificial grass in front and on the sides of the house to make it look more realistic. Then we'll make a few small holes in the base around the front and sides and plant some miniature artificial trees. How does it look? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. Love you all.